Okay folks, for your next crawfish boil or lobster, crab, whatever you want to cook outdoors, seafood, the Texas Star Outdoors grill. This unit comes in all aluminum and stainless, no corrosion problems. What I really liked about this is, notice this door. When you pick this door up, it doubles as your chute. When you dump what you're watching now is us dumping the crawfish over in there, and it goes right down into your ice chest, folks. This one here happens to be the 2-sack crawfish boiler, but they come in 1, 2, 4, and 6 if you really want to get aggressive for some of you commercial crawfish boilers. But notice the plug on the outside, the drain. It's got a large drain plug that's recessed down into the bottom of the unit, which lets the water out really quick. If you got to move it, pick it up right here and you can scoot it right across the yard with the wheels on it, folks. Everything about this unit is quality products, folks. So if you're looking for the best seafood crawfish boiler on the market, folks, you got to check them out.